school. He's teaching mamas and papas how to be a little cool. He's changing fashion the way he dresses. Attracted to old Bella hoodies and a moody father gave her the will to funky dances in secret. He's a part-time pawn. She's getting off the plane. She wants to write a thesis on the population of the privileged, the kids fighting up the lane. The shoplifting, just drifting like the switchblade on the cross. But if there's trouble, she's got the move. She's taken an elementary class in Kung Fu. A lemon washing in the laundrette. You can put some money on it, you can place a little bet. That when I see my washing, the black will be grey and the white will be grey, but the blues are still blue. I'm crying out for my mom. If the malady don't go away, we're in a little trouble with the boss of the company. I'm a singer, a swinger, I'm a layer, Baba playing on the dock and the lazy. Some will never quite relegate me to the bums. I let my lady in the laundrette. You can put some money on it, you can place a little bet up when I see my lady. The black will be white and the white will be black, but the blues are still blue.
やばい、なるさんすげえいい仕事。どちらですか？どちらですか？
Birthday suit, sat in the sun on a hot afternoon. Your mama and your papa with their friends. A holiday in August outside of bed and breakfast, sunny Southland.
で、ここからピンポンボールを入れる。ピンポンボールを入れて、そこに入ったやつを相手がどんどん飲んでいく。で、先にこっちがなくなった方が世界大会があったらしい。で、なんかアメリカの大学生のアメリカの大学生で流行ってて、ほとんどの大学でそのピンポンクラブみたいなのがあるんですよ。